Hi, my name is Hope Barnett, and I teach here at CCC at the ceramics program. On behalf of faculty, our lab technicians, and our wonderful community of students, we want to publicly thank the City of Flagstaff and Creative Flagstaff for supporting our program. We were the fortunate recipients of 2 grants, one in the 2024 cycle to help support building a soda kiln. And recently, we were afforded another grant, which is to help replace 2 of our aging pottery wheels. With a small program like ours, where funds are often tight, these small contributions make a big impact for our community of students. The soda kiln is significantly different from our existing kilns in that the others are commercially fabricated and computer controlled. This kiln gets students loading, unloading, firing, and cleaning, which are all team-building activities. During that time spent together, people share stories, especially during the loading process. I've heard wonderful things about people's histories, their pasts. Often joke-telling happens. And in the wake of all of this, learning occurs. The gift of this kiln is really about time spent together and forging strong relationships and building community.
Thank you!